So I'm driving right now. The bike is not here. But we're heading to Kolva Beach. Kolva? No, Kola Beach. Sorry, not Kolva. Kola.
And only this deep it is. Only our legs will go inside.
So Kola Beach is around like 100 kilometers away from North Goa. And there's another 1.5 kilometers where you can take your car for off-roading, but that's up to you. Baleno's dolly sheep brother.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
This is the final bridge. This part of the bridge is only for Kasi bikes are not allowed. If cops see you, they can take within 10,000 fine.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation.
Welcome back to Gavin's channel. We are heading to Kola Beach Lagoon.
I don't record that from my channel. That angle. We'll keep it sideways.
Welcome back to Gavin's Instagram then. We're taking this internal dirt roads. Mud roads, red roads. Gavin, it said no off-roading.
That's okay. So right now we are heading to Kola Beach. So some almost 1.5 kilometers of the beach you have to do off-road. So I've taken the SF right now because the Himalayan is back at home. I don't know why they didn't bring the Himalayan, but it's okay. It's up to them. Oh. I was in second gear, my bad. I can go faster a little bit, but I don't want this underneath part to get scraped. You know what I mean. It hurts when the underneath part gets scraped. So Kola Beach is around like 100 kilometers away from North Goa, and there's another 1.5 kilometers where you can take your car for off-roading, but that's up to you. And this is the beach. So you're taking the kayak right now? Yeah, that's okay. So charges are 500 for a single one and 800 for double.
Gavin, we're going to hit the rocks.
बिना देखे ड्राइविंग, नींद में ड्राइविंग, वो टेस्ला है वो बराबर सब है।
These guys are sleeping in the lagoon, enjoying.
सनसेट टाइम ना dude.
Along with Shannon, who's also sleeping.
I know it's hard to make the time. You know you're always on my mind. I'm working, you're hurting, and it kills me inside. Miss me like I miss you. Trust is not an issue. Just pick up your phone now, 'cause I'm on the way back for you. Tell me when am I gonna see you? 'Cause I've been missing your body right beside me. Tell me when am I gonna see you? You've been driving me crazy. I can't take this. All I wanna do is be right there for you. Be right there with you. All I wanna do is be right there for you. Be right next to you.
So that's it with today's vlog. I'll see you guys soon in the next vlog. Okay, bye bye.
It looks scary.
I look scary?
Yeah.